Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving straight into how to create a recipe collection in Notion. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first step is to open Notion and create a new page. This is the foundation of your recipe collection. You can name it whatever you like, but for our purposes, we'll call it My Recipe Collection. This helps us because it keeps all our recipes consolidated in one easy-to-find location. Now that we've done that, let's add a table. Click on the plus Add a Block button and select Table. We use a table because it allows us to easily catalog and sort our recipes in a structured manner. Next up, let's customize our table. Click on the first column, rename it to Recipe Name, and set the property type to Title. The second column will be Ingredients, with the property type Text, and the third column we'll call Instructions, also with Text property type. The reason we do this is to create a clear, organized structure for our recipes. Once we've set up our table, it's time to add our first recipe. Click on New, then fill out the recipe name, ingredients, and instructions fields with your recipe details. This is the main step where all the magic happens as each recipe gets its dedicated row. Now let me explain why this matters. By having your recipes neatly organized in Notion, you can quickly search, edit, or share them. It also makes meal planning a lot easier. Finally, you can add tags to your recipes by creating a new column titled Tags. This is optional, but can be very helpful for categorizing your recipes by type, like breakfast, dinner, or dessert. And that's it. Now you know how to create a recipe collection in Notion. Remember, the key is making sure everything is organized and easy to find. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next guide.